Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, innal ladhina kafaru bi ayatina sawfa nuslihim nara كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرها ليذوقوا العذاب إن الله كان عزيزا حكيما. Translation: Surely we shall cast those who reject our signs into the fire, and as often as their skins are burnt out, we shall give them other skins in exchange that they may fully taste the chastisement. Surely Allah is Almighty, All-Wise. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the believers and non-believers. And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining about the punishment, the severe punishment the non-believers will get. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains about the punishment of fire. And this fire which is mentioned is not a fire like this world. It is a great fire, a big fire, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in Surah An-Nisa, Yasla Naran Kubra, like a big fire. And there is a hadith narrated by Hazrat Abu Hurairah anhu that Prophet Muhammad said that the fire of this world is 1/70th in severity compared to the fire of the hell. And then he was asked, O Prophet Muhammad for the humans the fire of this world was enough. Then Prophet Muhammad said that despite of that, the fire of the hell has 69 times worse heat, more heat than the heat of this world's fire. And this hadith is narrated by Hazrat Abu Hurairah and recorded in the Sahih Bukhari. There is a very important medical fact also explained in this ayah. Today, the medical science clearly explains that all the pain sensations and all the sensation of heat, trauma is in the skin, and if the skin is completely destroyed, then the sensation of pain and burning will go away. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that once their skins are burned and gone, Allah will change the burnt skin with the new skin, and the new skin will have all those pain receptors and will have all the burning sensations. So the punishment will never end in this world. If someone is burned and a part of the skin is burned, he will not feel any further burning on that area, even if he's burned again on that area, because the receptors are destroyed. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will change the skin again, give them the new skin, so the punishment will never end. And it is also mentioned that the life of the hell is not a life, because there is no pleasure, no peace in it, and they will not have a death in the hell, so that the punishment is never ending. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in this ayah that Inna Allah kana azizan hakima, that indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in absolute control. He is almighty and all-wise. All of his decisions are based on absolute wisdom and absolute authority, and there is no chance of any injustice. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from the any hand of hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.